Hi everyone, welcome back to another table topic practice video for today. And the table topic is, what do you love most about yourself? What do you love most about yourself? What do I love most about myself? Topics like these helps us to identify, do you love yourself? What are the things that you admire yourself? We all have some quality, but many times we don't appreciate it and we don't look inside us. And when we think about topics in this way, that what is what do you love most about yourself? The objective is that you have something in you and what do you appreciate? And if I talk about me, that what do I love myself is that my determination. And why I chose this and why I love about myself is that if I'm anything, then that is a determination. It may happen that I don't have the capability, I'm not very skilled or whatever anything. But if I have the determination, I can do everything, given the time permits. So that kind of confidence, this determination gives me, because over the period of time, it was the determination only to which helped me to crack the toughest exam, which helped me to get a very good job. It helped me to achieve what I thought I could not do, or maybe others thought I could not get that. So this was all about determination, and I have this thing in me is so it any day I would choose determination if you ask me. So that's what I love about myself. Uh, One thing that I would ask you guys is that find out what is the thing that you appreciate about yourself. Initially, you would find that there is nothing in you, but it's not. Try harder, dig deeper. We all have something within ourselves. Find that and get it. Thank you.